Hey, welcome guys. Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this one, we are discussing question number 1 to 6. Before starting, I want to share something. We are providing all type of question answers of uh, Arabic paper of all the subjects which you need to know. Here, total 1 to 6 questions, and if you want the answers you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And here that you can see, this is in Arabic, and we are here for help you to assist you to, and here see the paper like 1 2 3 all are other questions, and after this these are the other questions. So actually we have prepared all the answers of all the subjects. If you want these, you can contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.